Hey everybody, how are you? Mrs. Hutchison here. This is our part 3, the inverse of multiplication. We are now going to be doing division. So up here, you can refer back to your notes because pretty soon we're going to encompass some worksheets that go over all of these that you've been doing. So the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so again, we are going to locate our variable, which is right there. It tells us what side of the equation we're going to start on. There's really nothing else to do other than to do this number right here, because remember, our goal is to get x by itself. So I want to get rid of that 6. So it's saying take x, multiply it by 6, because whenever you see a number and a letter next to each other, that always means multiplication. So we want to get rid of that by dividing it. So you can take 6, divide it on one side and the other. That's going to cancel, leaving you with x. And then 48 divided by 6 is 8. And again, you need to check it over here. So I was going to go ahead and check it, but I think you got the idea already based on the other two worksheets. So locate your variable. Get rid of that little 3 right there. Bye-bye, little 3. See you later. It's been nice knowing you. Okay, so x equals 4. This stuff's pretty fun. I really like one-step, a two-step, multi-step equations. So whenever you see your variable by itself, as long as there's not something that looks like this, okay? If there's something over here that looks like that, we got to get rid of that first. So we're basically undoing this equation. So if there's nothing there, you can just take that 8 and get rid of it. Okay, so this is going to be m equals, now when you do this, okay, remember, you don't have to do this in your head. Okay, so this is going to be 8 goes into 56 7 times. Make sure you bring that decimal up. Okay, so I'm going to put a 0 in front of it. You don't have to, but that's going to be what I'm going to do. Okay, same thing with right here. So that's our variable. We're going to divide off the 9. This is going to cancel. So I've got h equals this right here. So when I do that, again, that top number is going to be what you put under the bracket. And then make sure you bring your decimal up, and then 9 goes into 81 9 times. And that's what I've got. Okay, so now what happens when this number that's in front of the x is bigger than that one? Every other time, this is a smaller number than that. This is a smaller number than that. But now we've got a bigger number on x. Well, it doesn't matter. In math, we still use the same rules. So whatever that thing is, we locate our variable, we get rid of it by dividing it off. Now you have a fraction. So this is x equals 8 over 72. And all you need to do is just reduce it at that point. So find a number that goes into 8 and also 72. And in this case, it is 8. So if I divided top and bottom by 8 to reduce it, I'm going to get 1 over 9. Okay, last one. Divide off. This is my variable, so I'm going to divide off that 26. That's going to cancel. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And then 13 over 26, you may be able to recognize that that's 1/2. But if not, try to reduce it. 13 goes into 13 one time, and then 13 goes into 26 2 times. Okay? So have a great time doing your worksheet, and I will talk to you soon.